Why haven't you kickflipped yet? There's a few things you need to know about what goes right and what goes wrong when doing a kickflip. Try hitting the pocket. Most people try to aim downwards, putting a pressure. A mob flip is when you push the board down instead of flicking towards the pocket. What pocket we're talking about? Well, right here, within this zone. Not out in the nose, not down here in the middle, right where this dip is. That's what we're looking for. You hit that pocket, flips can happen. Maybe one thing you've done wrong is you put your body's weight in the wrong proportion. Maybe you've actually have your foot too far back, causing more distance to travel before the flip can happen. Slowing your flip down all the time on the wrong side. Another thing you might have done possibly, you have both feet on the same side when kickflipping instead of spacing them out. Having it here can kind of turn your board and causing weird reactions, make that actual initial pop and flip. By spreading it, gives you more balance point, and all you gotta do is bend down, let the flip happen, and get back on the board. Maybe you're turning your shoulders as you flip, but if you want that board to continue straight, try keeping your shoulders straight when you go ahead and pop this kickflip. Another thing you may have to check out is how you pop it. When you ollie, don't push forward so much. Try to make it a nice even pop, then a nice flick of the ankle. If you found this extra time at the dojo helpful, please hit a subscribe and a like. And if you have any other ideas for us, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, here at the Ranger Skate Academy, stay blessed.